If you can't find the BIOS chip, you can't fix most laptop motherboard problems. In this video, I will show you 4 ways to identify the BIOS chip on any laptop motherboard. Let's go straight to it. So the first thing you are going to do is to look for the 8-pin chip. Now look with me. Let's look for the 8-pin chip on this motherboard. Okay, we have the 8-pin chip here. Can you see that? But you have to understand, BIOS is a small 8-pin chip. If you see any chip that has 4 legs at each side, it's likely going to be the BIOS. But before you conclude that this is the BIOS, there are 3 more ways to confirm that this chip is the BIOS. Now let's confirm if this chip is the BIOS chip. We are going to make use of our multimeter like we used to do. You set your multimeter to the continuity mode. My multimeter is already set to the continuity mode. I told you that OL means over limit. Now, this is our 2 probe wire, and whenever you are going to test the BIOS chip on most electronic SMD components, you are going to have a beep sound when you bring the 2 probe wires together, which goes this way. I want to give you a secret. One of the BIOS leg is connected to the ground. One of the BIOS leg is connected to the ground. This is 4 legs here, this is 4 legs here, and one of these legs is connected to the ground. Keep one of your probe wire, maybe like your red probe wire, to the ground. This is the ground. Then you come with your black probe wire to the chip and test if one of these pins is going to connect to ground. That is one of the ways you identify that this is likely going to be a BIOS chip. Let's start with this. We have 499 ohms, come with the second leg. We have 803 ohms, come with the third leg. We have 700 ohms. We have 700 ohms. We have, you see, this leg is connected to the ground. Let's go again. This leg is connected to the ground. What did you understand? The whole 4 legs at this back here, none of them were connected to the ground. All we are resisting except this leg, which is connected to the ground. And let's go with the second leg again. We have almost 800 ohms. We have 700 ohms. And the last leg, we have 700 ohms. So this is a BIOS chip. Now, another way you can dictate that this is a BIOS chip is this. I'm going to make this very simple for you. This is the network card connector. This is the network card connector, and this is the CMOS battery plug. The BIOS chip is usually located around the CMOS battery area or the chipset area or the LAN area. The LAN is the network area, which we have this network plug here, and this BIOS is located near this network plug here, or this BIOS can be located near the CMOS battery area. Another way to confirm that this is a BIOS chip is this. When you look at the BIOS chip, it has a label like Winbond, MXIC, or GD. These are the things that can be written on top of the BIOS chip. If you watch closely, you will see that what is written on this chip is Winbond, and we've confirmed that one of the legs is connected to the ground, and we've also confirmed that it has 8 pins, and we have also confirmed that it is located around the LAN area, which is the chipset area, or is located around the CMOS area. This is a BIOS IC. All right, this is it for this one. This is ICT Doctor. If this helped you, make sure you follow for real motherboard repair and knowledge about computer systems, both hardware and softwares. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one.